Hello and welcome to a new episode of Product Basics. Today I want to teach you about the latching system primarily used in the HVAC business and others using insulated double skin doors. This latching system offers several important advantages for manufacturers of HVAC units. First, I'd like to mention that the Klima-flex 3 is a complete system with latch hinges, handles and hinges. The products are multifunctional as they can be used to create both surface-mounted and through-mounted solutions. The latch hinges and hinges, which share the same frame hole pattern, allow you to easily alternate between right and left hinged doors, and the products work well in all climates and environments. The Klima-flex 3 latching system will aid you in 4 core areas: safety, flexibility, economy, and usability. Safety. Our utmost concern is safety, but you may ask, what safety aspects are at all at play in the HVAC business? Well, there are a few. First off, the material we use is glass fiber reinforced polyamide that is strong and also fulfills the VDI 6022 hygiene standard according to ISO 846. This means that it prevents bacterial growth in air ducts. The air your unit supplies will be of the best possible quality. For worker safety, the versatile standard latching unit feature optional safety catches that prevent doors from flying open and are simply added when there is a dangerous overpressure in your system. With this addition, the standard latching handle can be opened in 2 stages to safely release pressure before fully opening the door. To prevent accidents involving large HVAC units, such as a technician getting locked inside, commercial HVAC access doors must have an interior emergency release handle. It is easy to add such a handle to our standard K3 latching units, ensuring a safe exit. Finally, the latching handles may be locked. The handle base has a built-in area for a key locking or tool-operated cylinder, but you can also use it without a cylinder as a non-locking version. Flexibility. Because we designed the innovations from the inside out, we have manufactured a latching system that has a high built-in level of smartness in it. For instance, you only need one tool to install the options you desire, a Torx 30 tool. With this, you can attach handles, interlink rods, inside safety handles, safety latches and more, creating flexibility and making it easy to adapt a standard latching unit to your and your customers' needs. And with a minimum of parts, you can easily add on the functions needed for a particular system. This keeps your warehouse costs down while still maximizing flexibility and customization, making you look good in the eyes of the end user. In addition, during the installation of the insulated doors in your frames, oval holes in the latching system offer vertical fine-tuning for a perfect seal. Using patented technology, the latch unit mounts effortlessly from the inside of the double skin door by simply turning the Torx 30 tool from the outside. Finally, the latch hinges and hinges share the same cutout or hole pattern in the frame, allowing you to easily alternate between right and left hinge doors. In some cases, if you do not know whether a door will be better off right or left hinged during final unit installation, you can add a latch hinge at each corner in your production and add the handles on site when you know where they will work best. Maybe this problem isn't that common, but using the same frame part of these items is really smart and simplifies making the holes in your frames. A more common problem, however, is for a sudden unknown hardware installation on site, a shelf, a wall, a sprinkler riser, or even a park forklift in the way, or similar. If such an obstacle blocks the door, preventing it from being opened more than 120 degrees, your end user can instantly resolve this situation by activating all 4 units and completely removing the door without even swinging it open. With this possibility, the end user always has a solution to access the HVAC unit. Economy. Regarding the economy, I briefly want to mention that the Klima-flex 3 system keeps your HVAC system tight, preventing air leaks. Also, the latching units have 3 mm built-in compression, keeping doors leak-free and keeping the heated or chilled air inside the ducts. This means a good economy for the customer and also prevents condensation on site. I've already touched on minimizing warehouse costs, as you only need to keep a small number of multifunctional Klima-flex parts, which you can combine with optional parts using a Torx 30 to create new versions. And you've also heard me mention that the cutouts on the frames are the same on both sides, allowing you to mass produce these details more economically. Usability. We have developed this latching system with a deep understanding of how the HVAC business operates. Armed with these facts, we set out to create a system that will help you as an HVAC system manufacturer the most. So, our expertise is built into each latching unit to help you with your business. The handles are unlike most you have seen on HVAC units. They consist of two basic shapes, a rectangle and a circle. Our handles have a large surface area. They look more like a hockey puck and less than a high slim type of handle with a little contact surface. The big puck shape creates several benefits for you. You may connect one handle to several latch points if you desire. This is convenient in large doors and facilitates one-hand opening. Handles do not wobble or rattle, but have a smooth feel when turning, unlike anything else you've tried. The large surface area of the latch point on the sheet metal door prevents the door from buckling when handled with excessive force. This way your doors will look good for years to come. Built into the handle are two other features that send a message of quality to the users. Tactile or haptic feedback. This means that you will both feel and hear the click as the HVAC door opens or closes. This subtle sensory response actually confirms user interaction with the latch and enhances precision. In other words, the user intuitively will know when to stop turning the handle. And the round top of the turning handle is ideal for printing your logo on. At Industrilas, we assist thousands of industries all over the world every year with latching solutions and hardware. The K3 HVAC latching system lets you harness our expertise, making your work easier, even if you don't have this knowledge in-house today. The results are immediately noticeable, both by you and your customers. At Industrilas, we take great pride in our global supply chain. We operate manufacturing sites in Asia, Europe, North America and South America, with representatives in more than 40 countries. Our global presence ensures that we deliver to you reliably and predictably. Industrilas has been developing and manufacturing access solutions for the HVAC industry for over 40 years, from design and manufacturing to final surface treatments and assembly. So, if you need help with the Klima-flex 3 system, need hinges, sealing profiles or latching hardware, or maybe you need samples, drawings or product information, get in contact with us. Or check out our website, industrilas.com. We have been supporting companies like yours with latching hardware since 1981, and we can help you too. Our business development managers or customer service representatives will be happy to help you out. Becoming a member of the Klima-flex community will make your life easier and will let you reap benefits on many levels. Welcome. See you next time.